Hi, I'm Chad. In this video, we will look at how you can create and send a social media campaign from scratch. This method is used when you are not sharing content from the content library, but instead want to write or create your own campaign. You might decide to share an image, a video, a URL, some written content, or a mix of all the above. Let me show you how to get started. First, click on the Create button and then click on Social Media Update. Once you have given the campaign a name, click on Start. In this example, I'm going to write or copy and paste the post content. Start by writing your post content. Remember to think about the audience you are posting this for and try to make the caption engaging and useful for them. Now, click on Share an Image. The file manager will then appear. With this, you can either choose to upload an image of your own or search Boma's image library, which has millions of high-resolution images for you to use free of charge. You can search for an image by keyword, for example, trade. Once you have found the image you would like to use, simply click on it and it will appear below the post content text box. Once completed, you can then scroll down and click Continue. Now you may want to share a URL to your social media channels. This could be a link to a particular blog post from your website. This is good because it will direct your social media followers to your website, which gives them an opportunity to view the services that you offer and updates that you post to your website. Simply click on Share a Link and then paste the copied blog article that you would like to share into the text box. Once you click on Accept, Boma will write a caption for your social channels, which you can then edit further. Once you are happy with the post content, you can then click on Continue. You have the option to further edit each individual social channel, and this can be useful if you want to say more on specific channels. For example, Facebook or LinkedIn, which do not have the same character limit as Twitter does. Once you are happy with the content, you can scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Schedule Delivery. Select the day and time you would like to post the content and click on Schedule Campaign. Remember, you can schedule to send immediately or at a time and date in the future. If you would like to learn more about creating social media campaigns from scratch, feel free to reach out to our support team on support@bomamarketing.com or chat to us using the chat bubble in your Boma account. Thank you so much, and bye for now.